This is Darren with DMJ Productions. We are filming here. It's Saturday night in LaGrande, Oregon at the car show. Car show ended today about 3 o'clock, and they had some other activities, a dinner and whatnot. It's about 7:30 or so, and it's Saturday night. They let the cars cruise up and down the main street here in LaGrande, and they cruise from 7 to 9:30. You guys see a lot of nice old cars. Actually, it's actually a pretty cool function, as a lot of car shows that I go to end in the early afternoon, 3-4 o'clock, and everyone goes home. But this car show, you actually get to hear the cars run. A lot of the cars have souped up motors. The cops are actually really, I guess, allowing, and you can hear cars peeling out, and they don't ticket it for anything as long as they do it safely in a safe manner. That's a nice old Chevy truck right there. That is actually a Willis Jeepster. That is actually a beautiful super sport Chevelle. It actually won an award at the car show today. That car is actually from the same city that I live in, which is Pendleton. It's about an hour away from here. This is one of LaGrande's main streets. The cars cruise up and down for about, like I said, about an hour and a half. I actually have my car, which is a 1965 Ford Mustang, is being driven by my wife. We'll get her on film at some point. There's a nice Mercury Cougar in the blue. A lot of nice cars driving. Chevelle right there, blue and black. This is a beautiful, that's a Chevelle Super Sport. Actually won an award today. This old Ford pickup truck across the street has been here the last 3 years. I've been in this car show for 3 years, and that truck right there has been here all 3 years. It's actually a really nice looking older truck. I have not seen my wife lately. She's driving my 1965 Ford Mustang, but she should be coming here shortly. Still don't see my car. There's two red Mustangs down here, mine, and then there is a fastback, which I haven't seen in a while. But like I said, my car is being driven by my wife, so I can do some filming. This Jeep right here actually won an award at the car show today. It's actually a beautiful Jeep. Just got done restoring it. This orange Chevelle right here. There is my rig. Right there. 1965 Ford Mustang. Until next time, everyone.